This video is part of the certification program, SABA, Spreadsheet Applications in Business Analytics. Please contact if you want to apply for the certificate program, or for more details.
So what are borders now? So this is similar kind of data which I was working on under font. So now borders are nothing but it is your standing out your cells then as per your different other available cells. So now you can see that these are the text, these are the data cell that I have, but again I don't see it is not really standing out. So what I can do is let's give or add certain borders to it. So what I'll do is I'll highlight these cells. I can add borders. For example, I can go to this box things which says borders. I can add bottom border, top border, left border, right border, no borders, and so on and so forth. Okay, so how to add that? I'll just show you 2 to 3 different styles in J column. So if I just go and click on left border, so you can see there is one single small line which has been added in this cell. Okay, this is your left border. Okay, I'll go to the next cell and show some different style, that is your bottom border. So there is your bottom border. So now you can see there is a small line which has been added to that particular cell. Okay, now I'll show you how to add double bottom borders or thick bottom border. So you can just click on either one of the functions. So you can clearly make a there's a visible distinction between these two styles. Okay, so again you can explore all these borders and see whether this is your requirement or this will actually beautify your data, and add either one of them. Okay, so the standard ones are wherein you can just click on one particular style, add all borders. So you can see that it has created very small thin lines to outer cell. Okay, so how to add that? I'm just showing it to you in terms of the entire data. I'm just adding all borders. So now you can see it has added borders. I'm clearing all the borders here. So you can clearly make the difference. You can clearly see the difference. So it has given all the rows and columns to the text. So it stands out and it really beautifies your data. Okay, so you can add this, you can add thicker border altogether outside. How to use that one? You can see this thick border, box border. So you just see that there is a box, highlighted box, which has been added to this particular selection. Okay. Apart from that, you can even add, horizontal or vertical borders in terms of across borders. So how to do that? You can even use these functions in terms of drawing borders. We'll not be talking about all these border styles. You can probably please explore these styles and it will give you a clear picture of what borders are about. But we'll be talking about more borders, wherein if you go to this particular style format, it says format cells border, and then you do have across borders. Okay, can you see this? So this is from left to right, that is bottom left to top right, and this is the otherwise, that is you just need to deselect if you don't want that particular style, and this is how it will get displayed. So these styles are applied when you are actually segregating two text in one particular cell itself. So you can use either one of them. So this also really beautifies your data, and you can apply either one of these borders. Okay.
This video is part of the certification program, SABA, Spreadsheet Applications in Business Analytics. Please contact if you want to apply for the certificate program, or for more details.